This is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today is SheModern Saturday. Welcome one and all. Today I am going to be doing my nails so it'll look like a present on my ring finger. I have got my red bow along with my red line. It is from Bow Solid and they are red. I took this thin line from along the side and cut that, and that's going to be my ribbon. And then I have my bow where the two come and meet. I'm really super excited about this one. I've been waiting to do this one. Now it's Christmas time and I can do it. So sit back and enjoy. Got my palette. First on my nails, I have my base coat, First in Line by Sinful. On that, I have Tokyo Pearl by Sinful. This is a really, really pretty color. I hope it's showing it well on camera. It's really pretty. It's a really pretty color. I think it's going to go good with the red bow. Got my little water bottle from SheModern. I'm going to soak these now. Hope everybody's Thanksgiving went well. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how it went. Mine was good. It was me. My mother and my son, Tech Savvy Gaming. That is his YouTube name. Those are soaking right now. It's only going to take 10-15 seconds or so, depending on how much I chatter. But Thanksgiving was good. Oh, and my friend came for dinner too, so that was kind of cool. Don't forget, go through my videos, my recent from, I don't know, a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. Look for, it says giveaway announcement. I have a giveaway going on that I will draw on December 5th. It is for Model 1's Beginner's Kit. It's got the classic colors. Check that video out. If you are a U.S. resident, please enter. You do have to be a subscriber of mine, and your subscriptions need to be public throughout the giveaway. I could check now when you're entered. I could check an hour before the drawing. You don't know. Please keep them public. Going to check my lines, and they are ready. I do need to get some little scissors out because I do need to trim down the lines once I do put them on. So this is going to be an experience for me. Be patient with me. Going to line this up on my cuticle. And I do need to trim it. Here's my tissue. Use my tissue to pat it down dry. Keep it in place. And so I can trim the end. And we're back. I'm not too sure what just happened. Camera bipped out. Get my bigger scissors. I cannot clip this off the end too well. There we go. There we go with that piece. This other one is going to be really tricky. So I have to line it up across my nail in the exact spot that I want it in. And I think that's it. if we get that to stay down. I will trim that afterwards. And get my bow. And press that down with the tissue. Whoops. And really want to trim the edge of this. I don't know if I got it there or not. Yes, I did. Hallelujah. There we go. It was really super easy to do. Very elegant looking for Christmas time. I'm going to top coat it with my Pro FX Quick Dry. Hope you try this if you've got any SheModern products at home and you're one of my subscribers and you do any of these or any of your own designs. Let me know. Tag me in it. Draw my attention to it. Comment. Leave me a message. Guess I should top coat the rest of my nails as well. Hello, this is Cherie. We're back again. Camera blipped out on us again. Seems my internal storage is full. I had to delete a few things, so I'm going to go over this nail again. I think it turned out really beautiful, and because of my storage problem, and we're still at the end of the video, Manny is finished. I think that turned out really beautiful. Hope you like it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my little present. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you had a great Thanksgiving. And if you're a new watcher, viewer, please subscribe. Click the bell to get notified of all future videos. If you are a return subscriber of mine, please let me know that you're watching. Leave me a comment below. Have a blessed day. Thank you.